Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama. And trying to be
welcome if you're new. My name is Kimmy, and in today's video I am going to be doing my bi-weekly cleaning routine. So one of those things would be washing and changing my sheets, and there's going to be some other things in this video that I do every 2 weeks. So let's go ahead and get started. If you're new here, I would love to have you subscribe so you get notified every time I post a new video, and welcome. Also, leave y'all's comments down below, because in each video I'm going to be reading out some of the comments that were left in the previous video. So if you want your comment read in a video, be sure to do that. Let's go ahead and get into this bi-weekly.
Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again.
Are in the washing machine. I'm going to take this Method heavy duty degreaser that I got from Grove Collaborative. It's always linked down below if you are interested in Grove, but I'm going to use this and spray things that I don't normally spray. So doorknobs, refrigerator handle, oven handle, and like the front of the oven. I always get the top, but I never really get the door part of it. And then I'm going to go through, and all the surfaces that we touch, I'm going to spray this citrus scent disinfectant spray after I've done cleaned everything. So this is just going to stay there. But this is from Great Value, so Walmart brand, and it's going to kill 99.9% of germs. Do y'all think it really does kill that many germs? Let me know. But let's go ahead and start doing that. my bathroom. There was one other thing I wanted to do in my bi-weekly cleaning routine. I feel like this is probably going to be the shortest cleaning routine. This and probably the monthly cleaning routine, because there's not a lot of things that I do every 2 weeks or every once a month. But there are things that I forget to do like every day, or they just don't need to be done every day. So the last thing I'm going to do is clean this shower head. It is absolutely disgusting. I will show y'all. So gross. So gross. So I've just sprayed it with the degreaser. I just love this. I use it on everything. I know I keep telling y'all about it, but it says grease and oil, burnt on messes, and stubborn splatters. So it's basically for like your stove, but I use it for everything because it is like a multi-purpose cleaner. So what I'm going to do is just I sprayed it, and I'm just going to like wipe it down, and hopefully that helps. It is helping. And then if this little cloth, which this cloth is doing a good job, but if this cloth were to not get everything off, I would take a toothbrush that I just used for cleaning stuff and get it off of here. So actually it's doing a really good job. Let me show y'all already, just with like one good wipe down. It looks quite a bit better, but you can still see some little rust spots all over it. And let me know if this is something that y'all forget to clean, because I feel like I don't think I've ever cleaned this. I just looked up one day when I was taking a shower, and I'm like, that is dirty. So they do get dirty. Wow, the cloth is actually doing a pretty good job. So I think that's it for this video. I do want y'all to tell me, what are the things that you clean every 2 weeks? I feel like a lot of us do our sheets every 2 weeks, and then some of us do those once a week. But what are the things that you clean every 2 weeks? And then the next cleaning routine I do is a monthly cleaning routine. So I want y'all to tell me also, what do you clean in a month? And since I know some of you are just dying to see what this looks like now, let's see, close. Just by using that spray and a towel, but you know, I could have probably done an even better job if I'd got out that toothbrush, but this is great. Okay, so I hope y'all enjoyed this bi-weekly cleaning routine. I will see y'all back here tomorrow for another video. I don't know which one's going up yet. I've done a lot of pre-recorded videos because it is Cleanmas, so there are a lot of videos to be putting up this month. But I hope you enjoyed this one. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Again, if you're new and you like videos like this, feel free to subscribe. It's free, and I really would love to have you over here. I try to talk to all of you in the comments down below and respond. And of course, I will be reading your comments out loud in each video. If you do see a video and I haven't read comments in it yet, it's because I pre-recorded a lot of videos. But don't worry, I will start reading your comments out loud. So I'll see y'all back here in the next video. Bye!
I don't usually fall for someone. I don't even care.